During the Senate hearing on extrajudicial killings, witness Edgar Matubato claims to be part of the Davao Death Squad, and he says that Mayor Rodrigo Duterte ordered the killing of suspected criminals. Among the targets he disclosed was a certain Sally Macdum, who he says is an international terrorist. But people who know both Matubato and Macdum say Matubato is lying. Matubato is a regular customer at this eatery in Samal Island. This is where he usually takes his breakfast and lunch. He also became friends with the owners since his second wife is their third-degree relative. Matubato is into buying and selling of lands. He also served as a bodyguard to a local politician. He is known in the Peña Plata market. Business owners and residents say he always carries and shows off guns, including high-powered ones. Many say he is a troublemaker.
Natakot na kami kaya kasi marami kasi siyang baril ganito. Tapos may ganun pa siyang baril. Tapos nagsasabi siya na DDS daw siya. Lagi niya binabanggit yun, DDS ako, DDS ako. Tapos pag mapatay ako ng maraming tao, ganun ang sinasabi niya. Sabi, nakakatakot. Ano ba yung DDS? Pumapatay ng tao. Tapos bibili siya ng lupa, tapos papatay siya ng tao.
Meanwhile, Macdum is more popularly referred to as Eric or Turco. Since he is a Turkish national, he lived in Davao since 1997. He had a common-law wife and a child in Samal Island. Macdum and Matubato are not just neighbors. Their wives are cousins. Macdum's mother-in-law says Matubato initially tried to sell gold to Macdum after finding out he was into a buy-and-sell trade. But from there, he had another offer. Matubato tried to sell a piece of land to Macdum. Macdum agreed and was ready to pay. Dindin says the money is already prepared in a bag. They even met at Matubato's favorite eatery where the transaction was supposed to take place, but it could have been set up.
Nag-order sila sa kape niya. Wala pa mi nakaserve. Niabot ang kauban ni Matubato. Mga 7 katao. So nasiga ang mata sa Turko. Kaya anak siya nga, mura siyang na-nervous ba? Siya, Gar, anak po si Edgar nga. Kanang huwag ka lang matakot, sama ka na lang sa kanila. Pero may L300 sa baba, ma'am.
Dindin claims some investigators came over since Macdum's wife filed a complaint, but Matubato's wife tried to stop them from cooperating with the law enforcers.
Moari ang CIDG, ma'am, no? Pag na sa CIDG, mupuli ang igsoon, asawa nga. Nung kanang ino niya akong asawa ba nga? Nung dili ka mag-testimony ha? Ayaw pag-testimony ha, kay madaot ka, ana.
And until now, Macdum's family never found justice for him. Trisha Terada, CNN Philippines, Davao City.